I'm going to do this exercise a little different. Given a grammar, you're given the target syntax we're after. You're also given the leftmost derivations. You're given instructions on how to do this. I want you to do number one. Give you some time to do that, and then stop. And then I'm going to go over an answer for number one. And then with number two, I'll kind of do the same thing here, but it's all going to be in one shot here, one video here. So work on number one. I'll go over an answer for number one. Hopefully that'll make things a little bit easier for number two, and then go from there. So see you in a few. Let's go over our left derivation for exercise number one. So first you'll notice we'll go to subject and predicate, and that's because that was our starting set. And again, we got to start with the start of the grammar and then try to have it match what we want for our target syntax. So you'll see that I've got subject and predicate, well, basically laid out for us. In the leftmost derivation, I'm going to completely ignore predicate, so I'm going to move subject and really try to graph out how I can get to my target syntax of a dog, pets, So subject is going to change and reduce to article and noun. And now I've got three of them. But again, in the leftmost, I only worry about the leftmost items. So noun, I'm ignoring that. Predicate, I'm ignoring that. So article, I at least get to match it with A, which again, I want my target syntax to have anyway. So A is done. Now I have noun and predicate. Noun, I can go ahead and match it to dog from what I wanted. And now I'm left with predicate. And you'll notice again, I'm going from left to right to try to have it match. So you'll see it, basically reduced down to exactly what we want in our target syntax. Again, starting from left and going to the right. All right, now that I've explained number one, go ahead into exercise number two. This time, notice it's a rightmost, so it is going to be slightly different. And obviously, your overall target syntax is a little different too. So just a heads up on that. And we'll go over here in a minute. This time going from right to left. Again, starting out with a subject and predicate. Now again, it is going to a different sentence this time, but still, I'm going to start off with the same, because again, that's a starting symbol, saying the subject and predicate. This time, I am worried about predicate. I'm completely ignoring subject. I'm going direct object. From direct object, I'm going to article and noun, and then noun, because that's the rightmost one, I get to put that to dog, which is, well, the part of the sentence that I want in my target sentence. And then article, I start looking at article, match up with A. So again, you'll literally watch it kind of formulate from right to left and a right to left derivation. Whew. Now, to check to see if the grammar is actually good, we should try one of these sentences and then make sure it works with both the left and the right derivation and come up with a the target syntax using the left or right derivation. As long as we can, that's at least a good start, but we should also check it with the parse tree as well, but at least this would be a good start as well.